Welcome to the world of Alaska's coastal brown bears, where you'll discover the gentle giants of the wilderness. Over the last few years, I have collected some fleeting moments of brown bears standing tall on their hind legs. I just love it when they do that. So come with me and let me show you. As the sun casts its pink glow in the sky, this magnificent mother bear stands tall as if she's enjoying the sunset for a brief moment. One morning, this curious cub walks towards her mom and stands up on her hind legs by her side. Another bear is approaching from a distance, and the mother bear is well aware of it, so she keeps looking back to make sure they are safe while slowly walking away. Watch as this powerful mother bear stands in a shallow creek looking for salmon. Can you feel her patience and focus? The water was dripping, and she is determined to look for her next meal for her and her cub. As the mother bear failed to find any salmon in the creek, they moved to the open water. The cub was patiently waiting while the mother keeps the cub at a close distance to avoid any danger. The locals call this bear cream ear, because of her cream ear, and I heard she's very good at hunting fish. This young bear, still inexperienced in catching salmon, was trying her best to look for salmon. It starts to rain and high tide is coming. It gets more dangerous, but the mother bear is not giving up. I went back to the same place a year later, and this cub survived and was able to be on his own now. My journey through the world of Alaska's coastal brown bears has brought me closer to the beauty and resilience of nature and allowed me to witness these fleeting moments, watching them surviving the harsh environments in the wilderness. If you enjoyed this video, you would love to check out this video where I share with you a crazy encounter with a mother bear and cub. And please let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.